Oh, tiny guy, you wanna go get a Whopper at Burger King? I can do that, but make sure you stay out of my sandwich. Remember last time? I almost ate you. I almost swallowed you. We've got a coupon today. Oh, I haven't had a Whopper in such a long time. Oh, you wanna read? You wanna see the coupon? That's good. What's the expiration date, my little man? What is it, tiny guy? Can you read well? Because I have glasses, you know. You know I have my contacts in. I need reading glasses when I do. Okay. Yeah, 1/3/2016. That's what it is. Thank you, tiny guy, for telling me. Oh, nice decoration. Oh, let's find the seat, tiny guy. What do you want to sit? Do you want to sit here or there or over here? And you can watch TV right here. What a big screen next to you. Ooh, you like her. Yeah. Charlize Theron. It's fun, isn't it, tiny guy? Yeah, we're waiting for our food. Alright, let's sit down here. Oh, what an adventure we have. And you're so tiny. Oh, you're too tired to sit up. Oh, tiny guy. You wanted me to have that crown? You carried it all the way over there for me? You're such a sweetheart. I'll be wearing it if that's what you want me to do. Oh, what a nice evening. And you were so hungry. Yes, I'm so glad we stopped in. Yeah, let me give you a kiss for getting me the hat. Such a sweetheart. Oh, tiny guy. I'm so glad you're staying with me. I know I'm getting older. I'm never too old to love you. I don't know where tiny guy went. I'm gonna take a big bite. I'm so hungry. I don't know where tiny guy went. He must be exploring a little bit. Maybe under the wrapper? What are you doing in here? I told you so many times to go into the sandwich. Remember what happened last time? Yeah, I have to give people tiny guy stories, and if I swallow you and you're gone, there will be no more stories. Silly you. Oh, sure, some pickle. Yeah. Okay. Oh, tiny guy, do you see this light? I don't know what it's doing. There's a video camera down there. There are video cameras everywhere, my dear. Oh, yes, I am so glad you're satisfied. Yeah, I am so glad you're satisfied and you ate enough. Yeah, that hamburger was yummy, wasn't it? Oh, really? Okay. And you always want to play. Just hang on to my shirt to go to the parking lot. You're full of adventures. Oh, full of adventures. All right, let's go, my little man.